Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be testing out some TikTok makeup hacks. TikTok, if you guys don't know, where have you been? It's been my new obsession lately. I don't post anything, but I just love watching it. I'm probably a little bit too old to be on TikTok, but you know, I just really love watching the videos. And I've seen some really interesting makeup hacks on there, and I want to test them out. I've seen a few videos of these floating around on YouTube, so I want to try it out for myself. So I found some really cool makeup hacks on TikTok that I want to show you guys and test out. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. You never know with TikTok. It looks real, but then it actually doesn't really work. So we're going to be putting it to the test. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do and want to see more of it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. But yes, let's go ahead and try out the TikTok makeup hacks. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be going in and doing the first hack. So as you guys see, I do have my eyes pretty much done. We're almost there, but we have to cut the crease to make it nice and clean and sharp. So I've seen a hack on TikTok that looks like it's going to work really well because I know myself, it's so hard. You guys see a lot of my videos, I do cut my crease, and that's in a lot of my tutorials, but it's so hard to make sure you have the perfect shape. So this looks like it's really going to work. I have high hopes for this one. Let's go ahead and watch this one first. Let me move over so I can kind of put it there for you guys. I'm going to have it right here for you guys. Let's go ahead and watch the first hack.
Here's a trick for cut creases. So take a round-edged beauty blender, put concealer on the top of the edge, and then just kind of stamp it and roll it, like so. Fill it in with a brush, and there you have it.
Okay, that looks like it's going to work pretty well. So, okay, so like you saw, she said you need like a flat edge beauty blender, which is perfect because that's really all I use. I use the Real Technique sponges, which have the flat edges. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Too Faced one. And I'm just going to like apply this to the outer part, like the edge, I guess. That's what she did. Okay, so as you guys see, I have it on there. I'm going to do it real quick because I don't want it to absorb. I feel like it's absorbing a little bit. So let's try this out. I'm a little nervous because it feels a little too thick for my lid. So look back. Go back and forth. Oh, that actually, that worked. I feel like I had too much on there. I don't know. She looked like she got hers perfectly, but now I'm just kind of going to blend that out. I feel like it went a little too high. It did really work, but like I said, I had to fix it a little bit because it went a little bit too high. So we're going to try the other eye, and I'm not going to put as much product on it this time, I don't think. And I mean, it's still on there, obviously. So maybe I could just use what's on here. So I'm not even going to add any more. I'm going to take what's left over and do the other eye. I'm going to place it a little bit lower. And then move it back and forth. Oh, yeah. See, that one is a lot better. Because I didn't add any product. It's whatever left over on the sponge. And that looks really, really good. That's like the perfect shape. So now going in with a flat brush and just cleaning that up a little bit and filling it in. Okay, so I really like that. I checked that off. I think that was a really great hack, and it really worked. I did have to fix it a little bit because that was my first time doing it, but when I did it the second time on this side, again, I applied no extra product, just used whatever is left over on the sponge, and it worked really, really well, and it looks really good. Again, I like this. I love cutting my crease, so I will definitely be using this in the future. And if you're a beginner, this is a great hack because it kind of helps you to kind of distinguish where your cut crease should go. And it is really hard if you're a beginner to do a cut crease, so I think this is a perfect hack, especially for beginners. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eye look, and then we'll do the next hack. Okay, so as you guys see, the eyes are pretty much done. We're going to go ahead and pop on lashes. I saw this really cool hack to get rid of the lash glue on your lash band because I love reusing my lashes, and it's so hard to because the glue is just so clumpy and gets stuck all over the lash band. So this hack I'm really excited for. Let's go ahead and watch it. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I have a cup of warm water and a bowl with soap. So I'm just going to pour that in there because these are the lashes that I have. As you guys can see, they are well used and they have so much glue on the lash band. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to insert a clip right here of the lash in the soapy water. Doesn't seem to be coming off at all. Maybe I have too much lash glue on there, but this is a no right now. It did not work for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I did exactly what it said. Soapy, warm water, put the lash in there, take it out, and it's supposed to peel right off. Mine is not doing that. I don't know if you can only have like a certain amount of lash glue on the band, because as you guys see, I have a lot on there. I thought it would be like perfect to use it, because hopefully I thought it would like come off, but that's a no-go for me, so I'm going to have to say no to this hack. It did not work. Let's move on to the next hack. Okay, so the next hack has to do with applying fake lashes again. This one just shows an easy way to apply them. Let's go ahead and watch that clip. Okay, so for this, as you guys seen, she applied the glue on her lash line as opposed to applying it on the lashes. Now, I don't see why this wouldn't work, so I'm going to go ahead and try that. I'm just nervous that, like, it's going to be harder to come off when I take my lashes off and harder for me to remove it with the makeup wipe, because I already have trouble removing the lash glue from my lashes, like my real lashes. So hopefully this doesn't make it 10 times worse. So let's try that. A thin layer. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to do the other side. Hopefully this works, because this will be great if you're a beginner and you're new to applying lashes. I think this would really be great. So I'm going to take my lash and just pop it on. There's no glue on my lash band. Oh wow, that was really easy. Wow. That was so easy. Why have I not been doing this? Easy. That took less than 2 minutes for each lash. I can't even believe that. No joke. Because I applied my lashes off camera, so you guys probably think it looks so quick, but no joke. It takes me like 5 minutes just for the one eye. And what I like about this, I feel like doing this, you won't have as much lash glue on your lash band, so you can reuse them a little bit more. And wow, I cannot believe that did such an amazing job. I give that a thumbs up. That was really great. I'm going to go ahead and apply my liner just so it blends, and then we'll start a hack for the face. Okay, so I forgot about this hack. This is for cleaning your eyeshadow palettes. It's so hard to clean them because obviously you have the pans of the eyeshadows and you don't want to ruin them. So this hack I'm really excited for. So let's go ahead and watch it.
So if you're like me and you literally abuse your palettes, I have a hack to show you to help you clean it. Things you're going to need are makeup wipes and any container that looks like this. Tightly cover the container with the makeup wipe, and literally all you do is swipe and it's clean.
Okay, I am so excited about this one. That looks like it's definitely going to work. So I actually have the same palette. That's what I use for my eyes, the Jaclyn Hill palette. And as you guys see right here, it's absolutely filthy dirty. So I really hope this hack works. Okay, so first you need a makeup wipe. And then like a round compact. So I'm just going to put it around this translucent powder. Okay, so I have it right here. Here is it before. Oh my gosh, that actually worked. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you can. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep going. Wow. So that definitely worked. It's a lot cleaner than before. It didn't get everything off, as you can see, but I mean, it's a heck of a lot cleaner than it was before. So I give that hack a check, a thumbs up. That works so well. I'm going to be doing this all the time with my palettes now. That's absolutely amazing. I really like that hack. The only thing is you're kind of like wasting a makeup wipe. I'm sure you could probably use like a tissue to do this, but it wouldn't get it as perfectly. Or you could probably even do the same thing with like a wet washcloth. Would be really nice. So yeah, that really worked. Again, that's a thumbs up. I really like that hack. So now moving on to a face hack. Okay, now this hack I'm really excited for. This is if you have a darker foundation, how to lighten it. Now they do sell like lighten things to lighten your foundation, but I don't have that. And as you guys know, I mix my foundation because I don't have like the perfect shade. So hopefully this will work. Let's go ahead and watch it. So as you guys seen, all she used was her darker foundation and then some moisturizer that was white to lighten it. So let's try that out. The foundation I'm using is this NARS Natural Radiant in Vienna. As you guys can see, it's definitely too dark. So we're going to lighten this up. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. So now for my moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the Pixie Rose Cream because this is the only white moisturizer I have. As you guys can see, that did not work. It just was a waste of moisturizer and a waste of foundation. That did not work. It's still the same shade, so I'm going to give that a thumbs down. That didn't work at all. I'm going to go ahead and actually do my foundation, use the right shade, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and finished my makeup because that was the last hack. That's just what happens. Some TikToks just aren't real. So yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Maybe even like a TikTok lifestyle hack. Let me know down below. But if you guys have TikToks you guys want me to actually do and test out, definitely let me know down below. You guys can send me the link on Instagram. You guys can DM me. Anything like that. But yes, this is the completed look. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.